Hello, today we'll be taking a look at the DIGISION Universal Travel Adapter. Let's go ahead and open this. This comes in a fairly small package. It has some kind of user manual. Tells the features and how to adjust it for the various countries. So this is basically the adapter. It's pretty generic looking, but looks functional. Has two USB ports on the side. So in terms of USB ports, just wanted to, it says that single USB goes up to a max of 2.1 amps. So that means if you're charging a tablet, you can easily use one of these USB ports. But just keep in mind, if you use both USB ports, it only says it's 2.5 amps max. So it seems like it's most useful if you're just using one port, but it may charge a little slower if you're using both ports at the same time. And basically there's only two sliding switches here, so you have one switch here and you have another one here. It's not letting me slide it out, but let me put that one back in. So it's certainly interesting. So when I slide this one out, it doesn't let me slide this other one out. So I have to put this one back in order to take this one out. So let me try that again. Yeah, it's not letting me. So that's a pretty intelligent design. Yeah, and then these obviously can turn. So that's pretty much it. It's a very simple, compact design. It's really not much to look at. All the switches are there. There's only two switches, two sliding switches, and basically you plug in your cable into here or use the USB ports. So this is the DIGISION Universal Travel Adapter. Thanks for watching.